Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Uni.
And today we're going to be doing an online tutorial on how to draw My Little Pony.
Yeah.
Which character we did? Pinkie Pie. Now, do you like Pinkie Pie?
Yes, and so does my friend Sophia, and this is actually for my friend Sophia.
Yes, I hope you enjoy it, Sophia. If everybody else enjoys what we're doing, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to receive notifications, what do we need to do? Press the bell button below, don't we? Okay then, shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get a black pen. Okay, so the first thing to do is about here, we've got our picture, we've got our paper landscape. From about here, yeah? Little bit down here, is we're just going to draw a straight line down like that. Okay, so that's the start of the first leg. Stop, that's it, perfect. Okay, and then just here, we're going to do like a little bit of a curve for her foot.
It's like a curved
Yeah,
L.
so yeah, like a curved L, perfect, okay. Now for her tummy, at this point here, at the top of the L, we're going to do like a quarter of a circle. So we're going to go like that. Perfect, okay. Now for this bit, we're going to join that up a little bit. Kind of like a, what would we call that?
What?
It's kind of like a triangle but with a scoop taken out of it, so like that. Yeah, so we go. That's it. Keep going. Alright then. So from this point here, we're going to do kind of another quarter of a circle, but it's just going to be a little bit smaller. So we're going to do a quarter of a circle there. You've drawn Pinkie Pie before, so you can teach me.
Let's start with the eye.
Okay, so do another little bit of a circle on that side. That's good. Okay. Now to do her knee, we're going to do a line, like a diagonal line coming out this way, but with a little bit of a curve. So kind of like that. Okay, she's lifting her front leg up. That's it. Okay. And then we're going to do a line coming down like that. Yeah, stop. And then we're going to do a line going up that way. Yeah, and then we're going to connect it to the body like that. So for your one,
oh, I think I know.
I think if you could do a line like this, like a curve like that.
I think I know how you do it.
Okay. That's perfect. That's really good problem solving. Okay. So just move along a little bit here, and we're going to do another curve line there, about there. Really good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do another line coming out and joining up. Excellent. And then just here, we're going to do another little line just there for the leg that's behind the upper leg. And then we're going to do a line like that to join it up. Yeah, good. Okay. Now from this back leg, okay, so the back legs of a horse are different to the front legs of a horse. So we're just going to do a straight line up like that.
I already know what
yeah, stop. Yeah, and then we're going to kind of go in a little bit like that.
I already know.
Yeah, and then we're going to curve out. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a big curve round to do the back of the leg and the bottom at the same time.
And I always start with the eye.
Yeah, like that. Can you do that? That's it, stop. Okay, and then we just do a little bit of a line like that for her back, where the saddle would be. Okay, now it's time to do her face. So we're just going to do a little cutesy curve like that. So stop. Okay, and then the nose comes in
the L again.
Just a little bit, yeah, it's like another L. And then we're going to do another quarter of a circle like that. Really good. Okay. So from here, we're going to loop round to join up to that side. And that's going to be one of our eyes. And then on this side, we kind of do an egg shape, but do it where the wider bit is down here and the narrow bit is at the top. Okay. So something like that. Really good. And then we've got to do her ear, so about up here, so further back, about there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just do a sharp line up and then a curved line around like that. Okay, and now this is what's going to make her look like a pony. We're going to do her hair. So from this point,
I already know how you do it.
we're going to go like that, like that. What are you going to do?
We forgot to do.
There's a line. Well done. Okay.
Well,
Good reminding. Okay, so you do, that's it. And then from this bit here, you're going to go round and we'll do like a sort of twist out like that. Okay. And then this is where we go a bit funky. We're going to go round like that. And then we're going to loop round again and go like that. Now remember, she's got crazy hair, so if it doesn't match exactly, don't worry, okay? That's it, really good, okay? And then from this side,
it looks crazy.
it does look crazy. We're going to do a big round loop like that, and then another loop, and then another loop, and then another loop.
It looks weird right now because she doesn't have the eye.
Don't worry, all right? Okay, and then from under the ear, we're going to loop round, do a loop, and then join up like that. So we're going to go round, do a loop, and then do another 2 little curls. That's it. 1, and then another curl, and then join up to that tip there. That's it. Fantastic. Okay, so then we're going to zag in a little bit. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and join up to there. Don't worry, that's fine. Okay, and then she's got another loop of hair around here, so we do another little loop like that. So just from that point to that point there. Yeah, and then it kind of goes loop down like that. Really good. Okay, so for the tail, we want kind of like a diagonal line coming out like that. Really good. And then we're going to do another line that kind of comes out like that. Yeah. Then from here, we're going to go round, loop, round and stop. So you're going back that way. That's it. That's it. Really good. Okay. And then from here, we're going to do another little loop with a flick. Okay. And we're going to do a straight line there. Just on that tip, we do a straight line. Okay. And then we're going to go round and loop, round and loop, and round and loop and stop there. Amazing. That's it. Okay. So we're going to do from the middle of the tail, we're going to do a line coming out and we're going to curl round like that. And then we're going to do another twist and then we're going to do another little curve like that. See, so in the middle here, we're going to do a curve, then another curve, and then it's going to join up. It doesn't matter if it doesn't follow exactly because Pinkie Pie can't control her hair, can she? Right, and then here, we're going to do a little curve like that, and then we're going to do a curve that connects. So just on there, we do a little curve and then join it up. Okay, and now we're nearly done. What we need to do is do the eyes. So she's got eyelashes. So we do 1, 2, 3 eyelashes at the top corner. Yep. I'm going to do the same on this side. Yeah, on this side we can see the ones on the bottom, can't we? Like that. Yeah. And then we draw
inside, she'll be like a zombie.
inside the eyes like that.
Looks like a zombie.
She looks like a zombie in a minute, but once we put the reflections in her eyes, she's going to look cute. Where am I going? I can't see. Okay. And then, what we're going to do in here, we're going to do another little line like that. Can you do that? And then we're going to do the reflection. So we do a little bubble on this side and another little bubble on that side. And then on this one, yeah, we do another little bubble on that side and another little bubble like that. Okay? Pinkie Pie never looks tired, does she?
Yes, she does.
Does she? Right, and now for the mouth and the nose. So I'm just going to do a little dot in the corner for the nose, and I'm going to do a smiley mouth like that. Yeah? Is that better? Now you were telling me about the cutesy marks on her bottom.
Okay.
Yeah? So they're like little balloon shapes, aren't they? Yeah, so we'll do some little balloons like that. Okay? And now I think it's time for us to colour her in. I did mine wrong, didn't I? Okay. Wow, that's an amazing drawing. Thanks, Yuli. That's awesome. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, please do. And we've got notifications. What do you need to do to get notifications?
Press the bell button.
We've got another tutorial coming up on this side. And if you could like us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art School, that would be great. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye bye.